Hi, I'm Gregor Mendel, and through my work on pea plants, I discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance. I deduced that genes come in pairs and are inherited as distinct units, one from each parent. I also tracked the segregation of parental genes and their appearance in the offspring as dominant or recessive traits. I recognized the mathematical patterns of inheritance from one generation to the next. I state the laws of heredity as the law of segregation, the law of independent assortment, and the law of dominance.
I study the inheritance of 7 different peas, and I saw the characteristics that include the height, the color of the flower, the color of the seed, and also the shape of the seed.
I create 3 different laws of inheritance. The first law is of segregation, that states that 2 alleles for each trait segregate or separate during the formation of gametes and during the formation of new zygotes. The alleles will combine at random with other alleles. This law ensures that a parent with 2 copies of each gene can pass on either allele. Both alleles will have the same chance of ending up in a zygote. My second law is the law of independent assortment, that describes how different genes independently separate from one another when reproductive cells develop. Independent assortment of genes and their corresponding traits was first observed by me in 1865 during my studies of genetics in pea plants. And the third is the principle of dominance, that is as simple as it states that some alleles are dominant and others are recessive.
Around 1854, I began to research the transmission of hereditary traits in plant hybrids. However, the results of such studies were often skewed by the short period of time during which the experiments were conducted. I continued the research over as many as 8 years, and I had to involve 10,000s of individual plants. Then, I chose to use peas for the experiments due to their many distinct varieties, and because offspring could be quickly and easily produced. Then I cross-fertilized pea plants that had clearly opposite characteristics, tall with short, smooth with wrinkle, and so on. And after analyzing the results, I reached 2 important conclusions: the law of segregation and the law of independent assortment.